Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today is gonna be a little different than any other video you're probably gonna see on my channel, because today is a getting ready to go to Europe trip. So it's going to be more of a, this is how I got almost 2 weeks worth of European vacation into just a carry-on and a personal handheld purse. So let's see if I can do it. So as you can see, I have a lot of bathroom things that I have to pack, and I actually use these little containers to actually pack them most of the time. And then my liquid stuff I put in this little bag. So I'll show you how I get started. Voila. I have one case done. And the second one done. Voila. You have to little maneuver it sometimes, but it works. So that leaves my liquids, my eyeshadows, my highlighter, my brush, and my fan, which I never put in one of these because I don't want to risk hurting it. And all the liquids go in here. There's that. So that just leaves a few things left. So the rest of this is a good opportunity to start deciding which purses you want to take. So one of the purses I want to take is this one. It's one of my more extravagant bags, and it's also perfect for it. Not only does it keep your bag from crushing, but it also saves space. And voila! So now all of my bathroom stuff is put away, so now we get to start on clothes. Fun. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm packing all of this into one small carry-on bag. So here's a few of my tricks. A few of my tricks is, one, have everything out in front of you. That way you know how much you have to pack. This is not including the clothes I'm going to be wearing over there, nor is it including the clothes that's in the emergency sack, which will be in my personal carry-on, which is just a single dress. This is just all of the underwear I'll need, my bras, 5 pairs of socks, because I'm wearing 2 closed-toed and I have 2 open-toed, so I only need half amount of socks. I have 4 different types of cardigans. I've got 2 shirts, I've got 4 skirts, I've got 2 dresses here. I've got my nightgown, and I've got 3 pairs of shoes. These are not any of the shoes that I'll be wearing over there on the plane. So this is everything that has to go in my carry-on bag. So let's get started. So I'm going to actually start getting rid of the biggest items. So I'm going to start with my boots. So with my boots, they're pretty long, and you can have 2 ways of doing it. You can either fill both of them up and then put both of them in there, or you can overlap them. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap them this time. So now we're gonna go with my heels. So these, because I'm a bit of a girly girl, I'm gonna want to take some purses. So the rest of these are actually gonna be going in purses, so that way I can take more purses. All of my stuff is now packed in these compact thing. So now, let's get it all in the bag. Now we're gonna get all of this into one carry-on bag. Okay. There's my carry-on. All that leaves now are these little trinkets that I did not get in the first go. And then I also have a few other things that I still need to pack. So let's get to that. So now that I have everything out, I've got my emergency dress, I've got 2 packs that I could not fit, as well as my shoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I already have packed in here. So because I'm going on quite a long trip, and they don't use the same outlets as we do, or the same voltage, I have these. These are portable charging systems for your phone, and you pre-charge them. This one's good for 7 charges, this one's good for 2, so that'll be 9 whole days of free charging that I don't have to worry about. Also in this bag I have just SPF 100 plus because I'm pale and I don't want to burn. Who does? But also for this trip, and for almost all of my trips, I always take with me a little journal with a pencil. That way I can always write down what I do, when I do it, how much fun I was having, what I learned, if I learned anything, things like that. Just, you know, cutesy little things. But that's all that's in this purse. So now we have to get all of this into this purse. Carry-on personal item, packed. Now that I'm fully packed, you can see that I have 1 carry-on item and a purse. That's all I'm taking for a little, almost a 2-week trip in Europe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. I'm really impressed with myself to be able to put a 10-day European vacation into just 1 carry-on and a personal purse. So if I can do it, you can do it. Just remember that. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to pack your own bags and little tidbits that I learned from other people who travel often, a lot more often than I do. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video. If you disliked it, then go ahead and push the dislike button. It's a free world. Go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe if you like some of the videos that you see on my channel. You can, if you're lurking, please click the subscribe button as well. Follow me on my social medias. All of my links are down in the description below. Don't forget to be nice to each other. I hope you guys have a great day. whenever time of day you see this. Bye guys. Be nice.